Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share. And thank you. Best of luck watching my videos. I can presentation my channel Canva. How to make money of Canva. This is the system of the LinkedIn. LinkedIn can provide the one post of how to make money, how to make money of Canva, how to make money with Canva, how to make money with Canva, how to make money with Canva. Make money with Canva. How to make money with Canva? I am sure is the art the searching for a new way to some extent each. Today's is going and your Canva billings of half of earning. And this going have an experienced freelancer work with the student because and this article and guidelines with is until Canva make money as a freelancer earn money thought is Canva is a buzz and necessary process and design basic understand Colby test and are you keeping I am the potential and this document can be used simple and earn. What is the Canva? Canva is a program which design is turning an application, graphics, banner, and design. Art by demography it great is important note Canva offer to plan is often in design. I don't gain is the Canva needed $10. Design with your blog as social media using. Design is blog social media image using Canva. That is the important using use and the adult is suite how to social media graphics with template. It is the unable location necessary field my extend in libraries how to make money work and this the best job the additional and filling sectors and provide an Adobe Photoshop. I detail bills is option then the using and Canva details from one thing's note of Canva design using and make money on with Canva. This is the template Canva website design and Canva template design with Canva. Design rule invitation, how to design and thank and design mention and work make money website and this make marketing and design Canva template design books. See all. Canva design with and Canva design Canva template. Make money with Canva and design. Lot of Canva out of how to money and Canva. How to make money website design and make money Canva using top rated method, marketing ad, creating social media content, join Canva affiliate program, print and demo, and selling products and Canva because they learn and join and fake your question, etc. etc. But Canva is a website is a very important website. How to step in this Canva. Canva is very nice, interesting in the how to make money number two page, and Canva website marketing just as one can Canva design solution and business solution, education solution, and solution learn solution. Marketing and this learn solution and solution social graphic design and others to praise. Number three page lot of system. Canva design. What is the banner man at the 5 second effective design from Canva design, Canva with design, and Canva design. Design your own or listing how to and high quality t-shirt Canva stock. Five things how to make Canva mention and Canva how to design all on white. Marketing and a lot of marketing system, banner, t-shirt design. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend. Please subscribe my channel.